Sneezing is one of the body's natural protective responses. Inside our nose are many sensitive nerve cells that detect foreign particles such as dust, pollen, or irritating gases. When these intruders enter the nasal cavity, the nerve cells quickly send signals to the brain. The brain then issues a command for the chest muscles to contract sharply, creating a powerful burst of air, a sneeze. This sudden expulsion helps clear the nose and prevent harmful substances from reaching deeper parts of the respiratory system.